Hi guys, this is Dr. Bhupesh once again from Dr. BKM Institutes. Our contact number is 76967 34256. Subscribe our channel for the best OET tips. So today this is the second listening tip I want to offer you all, that basically when it comes to OET listening in exams, the paper would be well balanced. So you just have to write around 3 words or a phrase that would be written on the top. But when you practice listening papers, sometimes you have to write more words, and that is where it creates a chaos in your mind. You doubt yourself that maybe you are not right, but there is nothing like that. You don't have to doubt yourself, because in OET listening, in original exam, it would be well verified, maximum 3 words that you need to write, so there won't be anything. But if there is, like, suppose if it is say basketball, and if you write ball, sometimes it is correct, but it's better to write basketball as a complete answer. When it comes to football, obviously that is good to have. When it says a black umbrella, sometimes umbrella is the only answer given, but if you have written black umbrella, it is good to be written. So 2 or 3 words should always be written, whatever you hear, in the same way. So OET listening would be that way. In the exam, it would be well verified. So please do not blame yourself that you are not right in listening. You are absolutely correct and right, but listening sample papers are sometimes not up to the mark. So do not deteriorate your confidence. When it comes to the listening part 2, that is B and C, you say multiple choice questions are very difficult, but please try and understand that is where OET listening is very balanced. To pass, we need around 30 to 32 marks. I'm not saying do not take 40 marks, do not take 38 marks, but you need to pass with 32. If you understand the scheme in listening, in reading there are 22 questions in the part A, whereas in listening there are 24 questions. That means they want, if you are having good listening part A, then chances of passing is very high. So you should work on your spellings. That is where the marks are. Suppose if you are getting 330 in listening, and suppose in normal practice you get around 20 marks out of 24, try to take it 22. If you're getting 18, try to take 20. Means increase your marks in listening part A. That is easier to be increased. Then 24, in out of 24, if you get 22 or 20, that means only 10 questions should be right now from the left up. So the rest of the questions are 18 in listening. So obviously in the part C, when they speak fast, there are 6 plus 6, 12 questions, and part B also has 6 questions. So one of the part would be very easy. One of the part would be very easy, जिसमें से 5 questions should be correct. So if you score 20 or 22 in the part A plus 5 marks in the easier part of listening part B or part C, then it becomes 20 plus 5 is like 25. Now you are left up with 5 marks. So out of the 12 questions of the part C, even if you do 5 questions right, that is good. But if you can improve, obviously, I'm not saying that you should not improve. What I'm saying is that it is just about focusing on the right things. Listening part C would always be difficult for everyone. So the best part to improve listening, please understand what is listening. We are listening, understanding, then we are selecting the option. That is exactly the same thing we are doing in reading. We are reading, understanding, and selecting the option. So that means reading and listening both improve side by side. In one thing we are reading, in the other thing we are listening, but rest of the process is same. So if you are facing trouble in listening, do more of the reading part C. If reading part C will improve, multiple choice questions will improve, that means your analytical thinking is improving. That automatically will improve your OET listening as well. So please try and understand. Don't keep on saying it's not working, it's not working. And if your reading is very fine and your listening is causing a problem, that means you need practice. Practice means do one listening 3 times. Don't do 3 listenings. One listening 3 times. You will definitely see improvement. Last but not the least, one of the most important tips. If you are having problem of listening itself, that you do not understand the accent, for that the best tip is do not take question paper in your hand. Just use the headphones and concentrate. Concentrate. Be calm. Concentrate, so you would be able to understand the accent. But if you start attempting in the very first round, then you become confused. So there are 3 processes involved to improve listening part C. First is to listen. So sometimes you should pick your headphones, Listen to it, but should not attempt it. All the focus on listening. All the focus on listening. That is how the listening will improve. You will start understanding the accent. Then second time, now listen and attempt. Now third time, again listen, again attempt the questions which are not right. You will definitely see improvement within a week. Within a week, that's it. But if you will do new listening every day and will not revise it, it will never improve. So please take it as one of the most important tip. Improve your reading part C, listening will automatically improve. Listening part C will automatic, because analytical thinking and understanding, two processes are same. And if you are having problem in listening, then do not attempt the first time. Just listen. Just listen. Try to understand the accent, different accents of different listening, and you will see your improvement within a week. This is Dr. Bhupesh from Dr. BKM Institute. Subscribe our channel if you have not. Our contact number is 76967 34256. Thank you.